Welcome back! Welcome back to Rebuild 3. It is Rebuild 3 and we're playing New York. It's New York. How you would generate it is just epic large with rivers and coastline. Most people don't use coastline, but I say that coastline is one of the best things you can add because it's better than having just like forest, and if it's a forest, then you can barely see the buildings on the side of it. But anyways, I didn't notice that there's actually zombies on the buildings. On the buildings. I think that was in Rebuild 1, but not in Rebuild 2, so they brought it back in Rebuild 3. It only makes sense because it was a good feature. 10% more of the woke shop. Now you get electrified walls. Boom and boom. I just realized there's an Walmart right next to the power plant. Why do you like Walmart so much? You may be asking. Because they have more defense than I usually building on like malls. Or I'm just an idiot. Let me check. Yeah, they have. Wait, so they have normal. What? I think it's just me being an idiot because I swear in Rebuild 3 there was that Walmarts and commercial big buildings like Walmarts, pharmacies, and there was a pharmacies in Rebuild 2 actually. This is a new building to Rebuild 3, but I swear in previous editions that malls and Walmarts had more defense than the usual building. But apparently they decided not to have that in Rebuild 3. And I guess I could see so killing zombies in a Walmart or commercial building would make it harder, not easier. Now that you really think about it. So I can see why, but this game's kind of casual, so it's just like a game where you just sit down, play it, talk, and yeah. Send over a builder. Take a freaking builder. So if those guys try to build more out into this area, then I'm going to start building a wall so that this area over here becomes my city area. That gives you 2 every time? I see that we have a lot of materials, so I'm just gonna build a lot of farms. Build farm. Yeah, you stay there because I'm going to build another farm. How many people are here? Build farm. Build a farm. Wait, no, do not. Who's doing that? You're doing that. You're really bad at this game, aren't you? And now you won't do nothing because you kind of just got defended. So, how did you get an injury? How did you get an injury? It was so easy. We should actually start the water treatment plant quest line. But we haven't, because we're idiots. Claim. Dang it, we were gonna claim. What? zombie just attacked. It's pretty stupid of them to do that. Bribes. Okay, jeez. So we're finally making it over to the power plant. We're kind of just gonna forget this entire trail once we do get it. Listen to her ask her to leave. She's here to perform some sort of intervention. Stop pleading. She's pleading with us to stop working with the Church of Chosen Ones and to root cultists and to root out cultists in our own fort. That's gonna kick out like our valuable people. So I'm going to say no. Until you see what they take in the world. We'll see how powerful you are. The hollows. You're at the bottom. These guys are insane. They're just playing. That's their power. They don't have a lava strix. I'm glad I didn't decide to film. And then we'll go over to the hey, let me go! Into the hollow. I guess they have more buildings, but they have more useless buildings. And they have less. They have that much strength, and they don't have a lot of strength. None of these people have strength. The government. They actually have more strength. Claim. What? There's like, I swear something changed. I should have actually looked at the red warning, but I didn't, so we just lost the warehouse. I'll take that back. Claim. Claim, 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 claim. Claim. That's where the nerds are. We're the nerds. They came from all the way over there. That can finally actually leaving Letty's. We've got some old farmer outside the gates. He says he is with the Letty's, but he's heading up their backwards ways and he's striding the front. He also said that his beard. We know a thing. He's heard that we know a thing or two about bunker towers. We really trade that now. If you give us enough retrospect, the plans can increase. We could use the food, but the ladies won't let go of making deals to X members, especially for technology. It's your research, man. Oh, we lost some people. Who cares what the ladies say? That's what I'm saying. They really suck. We get more food in our bellies, and we've got to give them their chance of survival. We did. Oh, that's good. That's a death sentence. That. Claim. Boop, boop, boop. Dang it! We would probably find fuel in this building. So you can't do anything with that building. Chop wood then. Construction tip. Someone from the government rode up on an old cargo bike stand saying he was looking for this metal to make Chubby's bike. Apparently the government and the force make them look more... What? Apparently the government want to cover the fort and them to make them look more badass. Our builders could probably show them how to make those bikes more than just eye candy. And some tips, turn them away. Yeah, it's up to advice. See, we get like a lot of stuff for that. The government were very happy with the help. Therefore, it should be stronger than ever now. Hopefully, we'll never have to face off again. I did not think about that, actually. I did not think about that at all. I thought it would just be like a visual. But if this will prove this game is actually cool. No, this game still sucks. It should show actually the spikes instead of. Oh no! I just looked at the Red Judgmentio gang. The Red Judgmentio gang is not very nice. They're getting bigger, like a little criminal piece of garbage that they are. A literal human garbage. If you can't tell, I really hate the Last Judgment game because of what they did in the first game. They screwed me over practically. I also gotta kill zombies to even do anything. Boom, 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 boom. You failed. You failed. You failed. You failed. You failed. You failed. Yep. You can set up what's going on. I could really work. Injury while chopping wood. Wow. How could you injure? Actually, now that I think about it, you could injure yourself while chopping wood. Injury while chopping wood. Everyone's getting injuries. Stop injuring yourself. What? Oh, why is everyone getting beat up? Everyone's getting beat up. And we finally got the friggin' power plant. It only took a thousand decades, but we got the power plant. The plant's power. It's not plants versus zombies. I actually might make a series on that if you guys want me to. But who watches my channel anyway? This video is gonna go to absolutely nobody people. Nobody likes rebuild anymore. It's all about different things. Wait, he's part of a clan? He's a part of the Mustache Clan? I do not know what that is. Hopefully we don't have to face them. Because it's already 11 factions and they're taking over the city really fast. Chopping wood, reclaim 39 more buildings. 39. I think that should be enough space for this, and then we can actually start fighting people because I do want to destroy the pig farmers and grind them into blood. And because we can claim their area. Trade with Gustavo. Tradai. What did I just trade? 18 food, 13 materialos. I guess the materialos and the shutagun. Materialos and the shutagun. That you eat it. It's funny. Look, you eat it. Not available. Use the fuel cars in special buildings during events. I.e. the power plant. Useless steel bullets. Uses ammo like guns. The perk is a hunter. Used to heal people during events. Trade. Need to offer more weight. Yeah. I see what you're doing here. You're playing demented evil tricks. 47. Give me a stuff. And the other one I always give my people weapons, but I don't think that. Wait, he's a Lucrio? He's a babysitter? I don't like the fact that he's a babysitter. Can you give a child to someone else? Oh, what? I'm trying to equip people. I'm not trying to look at my character. Equip. Survivors. I only have one. Actually, I should look at factions. So we got the Grand Violence, the Last Judgment Gang, the Pig Farmers, the Church, the Chosen One, the Letties, the Rotten, the Government. My goal is to choose for boys, the 1 through 7 shoe. Got Steve, the Trader. the Pharmastis, the Mahalios, and it's going over it. Search infinity. Research. I want to look at my survivors, okay? Claim. Wait. Okay, so I think the video is over because it's over now. So get out of here. Like, subscribe,